Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. Another one. Don't reach our table again, my people. The fifth wife of Mr. Nendi Wonkoro, the Moroccan wife, don't finally come out, go her country, my people. This one after Regina Dani and the husband travel for holiday, where Regina go celebrate her birthday for United Kingdom. Now in this report reach our hand, my people. Make una come see the first thing she of friend Regina Daniel.
Happy birthday
My
to
people.
me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Regina. Thank you.
Now so we see the matter, my people. Just after Regina Daniel don waka enter United Kingdom, go celebrate her 21 years birthday with her son and her husband. From there, they go different country. They can go River Jordan. They can go Saudi Arabia. They different place, my people. This one was once happy family. That is the this family one they see, so they don't already tear apart, my people. They not they again. Even the Moroccan wife, don't pack all her picking there, enter Morocco, my people. Wetin can happen? She can show am for Instagram say her pikin, her son wey e dey her hand, so wey e dey with the husband, so don already enroll for school for inside their country for Casablanca, my people. Now the evidence be this. He already put the pikin for school, meaning she is not coming back soon, my people. A lot of things they happen. No, una remember say now so Regina and the husband they carry, they go up and down, they travel, go different country. Other man is say Regina Daniel now she be the celebrity where even bring celebrity enter their house. If not for Regina, nobody for even know who be named or this in Moroccan wife. You understand, my people? Okay, my people. This lady one they see, so this Moroccan wife don't change her name for Instagram. She not only offend her husband, Regina Daniel, her co-wife. She also offend her husband, my people. Make una come see Lila Chiarini. Na it can be her name, not be Lila name the one Koro again. She changed her name to her personal name, my people. For this video, when they see, so that they come from Regina Daniel Fashion Home, my people. Not the way this woman get everything na just Regina. Magazine where they opened the other day, na still Regina. Oh, Fashion Hope na Regina. Oh, not the way Regina not get. Oh my God. But I know say Regina just come to reap for where she did not sow, my people. As Regina turned 21, my people, stick balaba for inside balaba. This sweet home don't turn sour home now. As I dey tell you, Moroccan wife don't pack her children, comot go inside Morocco. He say all thanks to Mama Regina where he use voodoo to scatter her home. Everybody talk and say Mama Regina get her for wetin dey happen for inside that family. Because of the age difference where e dey between Regina and the husband, e really shows say Regina is there to come and shop and go, my people. This Moroccan wife never enjoy just like the way Regina they enjoy, my people. Regina na everywhere. They say Amio will know you can never see a mate like your sister, my people. Come here with Mama Regina tell this Moroccan wife say, okay, you think say now look, now my pikin can't look for the husband house. As you come, now so her husband, now so she still come. As you they enjoy, now so my pikin will enjoy. My pikin no fit sit down. They look when you they enjoy yourself. My people. This thing come out from Mama Regina, my people come shock. Say, so Mama Regina now they talk all this kind thing. He come call and say, Lila Chiarini, wetin be your problem? Now only you want eat near the one koro. Only you how many food you want to eat, how many house you want to sleep, how many mansion you want to sleep, how many car you want to drive, Mama Regina. Now wow. Now because say Moroccan wife mother not dey this country, Nigeria, now make she can tell am so. See the way she dey want the lady. He say make the lady take her time. Make she not find her because she not find the lady. Make the lady dey her day because if she enter asaba for this lady, she go know. Una know say Mama Regina dey always dey enter asaba for who wan block her way. Una know say Regina na her way, you understand. Regina na be where the her bank wey she take dey fetch money. E dey warn the lady say make the lady take care, make this Moroccan wife no narrate im pikin, say no get hair for armpit. You understand. I can't shock say this one dey come out from Mama Regina mouth say make that Moroccan wife leave am na im breastfeed that im pikin, so he need to eat the fruit of her labor. You understand. So may e not be a stumbling block to im pikin. My people, hey, wahala they say e dey. When Regina and the co-wife they enjoy, they go, people think say maybe that kind thing no go fit happen, jealousy no go fit come. Even though say na your junior sister na marry, or na your twin sister marry your husband, jealousy must dey, because e must like one pass one, e must give one attention pass the other one. Matter finish for Mama Regina hand. He say if you want pack, you can go, because you are not the first wife, you are not the second wife, you are not the third wife, you are not the fourth, you are just the number fifth. So let my pikin enjoy her life. My people, this one they come out from the mother of Regina Daniel, popular actress. Hey, my people, Moroccan wife don't suffer, my people. Mr. Ned come confused for you, come say he don't know what he want to do again. Now just 2 weeks pere na he take talk to Regina. The next thing, Regina mama don't carry Regina property come in house, say he just dash the man. Una see the way they take, see happy family before, my people. Regina just come, he just dabaru the family. You understand. This the Laila never enjoy or travel with Nen Nwankoro like this. Go anywhere, either River Jordan or Israel or UK or what. See happy home before. Regina was just pretending like her husband, like her mother, my people. My people, now so I see the matter. I say make I let you know. I beg, if you are just watching for the first time, please subscribe and on your notification bell, so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, you are welcome, and to my return is God bless you. So my people, now so we see the matter for today. Make una come hear wetin dey sup. Make una carry una robokibo Coca-Cola, make una come sit down. See how Nnedi Nwankoro take drive his fifth wife. Now the poor girl kukuma your pack her things, pack her pikin them, carry them go Morocco, go relax. She no fit shout, my people. She don still grab some property for her hand. She sell some of her cars wey Nnedi Nwankoro buy for her. Carry money for her account. Now she just relocate before they come from River Jordan. My people, this woman is not happily. It is not happy in her parents' house. You understand? This is not what she bargained for. Now the time when she take marry Nnedi Nwankoro be this one, but unfortunate. Nnedi Nwankoro deceive her. Talk say Regina na just come shop and go. At the end of the story, Regina no gree shop and go. Rather, Regina came to stay. She came to stay for good. My people, they always they talk and say, no matter how you and your mate play rich, one day, katakata must surely come aside. Jealousy must surely come aside. Especially when the man not there with the right senses. Mama Regina don't use Otulokbo for Nnedi Nwankoro. Imagine the fine woman. People even they talk and say, if they bring Regina come aside, if they bring this Moroccan woman come aside, you go see and say this woman fine past Regina 100%. Why? Because Regina na short bamboo. Okay, she just want to reap where she did not sow. She just want to, she's a gold digger. You understand? Because me, I know say that 19 years old pikin no fit love that 62 years old grandpa. You understand? Some people they call her ancestors. No fit love her. Now that in money, then just day after. People even they tell him mama say, why you not just marry the grandpa? Why you go push your old pikin make go marry the grandpa? My people, this Moroccan wife and the husband, they the Nwankoro were happily married. Oh, the man said they not do social media. They were happy. Things were going on fine for them until Regina and the mama parked their car for their domot, my people. Since then, na horn na dey take dey disturb this wonderful family. Now Regina and the mama don succeed pursue this Moroccan wife comot for the mansion wey she and Nnedi Nwokoro build together. So the three pikin wey she born for Nnedi Nwokoro, she don already carry them comot dey go Morocco. She don even enroll one of her pikin for school. She even show am. She say she's not coming back soon. From there, now she change her name to Lila Chiarini. Hey, my people, you can't throw away Nnedi Nwokoro. So, my people, that's what we see the matter for today. Some people, I don't understand. Because the way Regina take come, the way Mama take come, I know say they mission. How una go just come through way pursue person wey e dey house. Imagine many country where Regina don't travel go now. Different country, my people, where she don't travel go. They don't even go Saudi Arabia. As I dey talk to una, so they come since October, come reach now, they never still return. Which kind of vacation be that one? This woman, her body she dey use, body they say body not be firewood. You understand? Regina don't still enjoy her rich. May still let this woman still enjoy. More than 3 weeks now, Regina and the husband, they travel from one country to another. The man don't even think of a Moroccan wife again. So then this woman kukuma your common of friend Regina. Hey, my people, Instagram don't catch fire. When people hear this one, they say, So ever since then, they just they pretend for outside that this person talker Idris what did they call him? Ogunleye, aka Bobrisky. Sister Bobrisky, sorry, brother Bobrisky talk and say fake life. If you want to live fake life, come to Instagram. Hey, now fake life, they come and call they smile for people. Don't know it say they get heavy gbedu for inside house, my people. Now so we see the matter for today. I go leave una make una watch the full video. I bet me una carry una coke and una roboki boko. Carry una roboki boko Coca-Cola and popcorn. Make una come hear gist how Moroccan wife they run leave mansion for Regina. Say e no fit. Say Mama Regina they use Otulokbo for the husband because many times where Mr. Nnedi Nwokoro don't raise the hand for this Moroccan wife before that kind thing not they happen. But as this Asaba lady Rita Daniel come into the picture, oh my God, it be like saying that she they marry the Nnedi, not be even the pikin they marry him. This Moroccan wife say one day she will open up on everything where they happen for that house. My people, if she finally open up, I promise to bring the matter come here. Make I let una know what they suck. Okay, make I leave una now. Make una put una ear for ground. Many story go they drop out for this November. Okay, guys, see you in my next video. Bye, shoes.